Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sabrina. Welcome back to Math Matters. In this video, we are going to introduce the concept of measurement, which is an important topic in math and also in science. We are also going to take a look that is particular system of measurement called metric system, which is called metric system. Any kind of object can have different physical properties like size, weight and volume, etc. The whole point of measurement is quantifying those properties which are just mean expressing them as a number. Without measuring, I can just say that eraser is shorter than this tall one. Okay, or we can say that one piece of eraser is actually lighter than 6 pieces of eraser. So this one will be heavier and that one will be lighter. But these are relevant terms that don't give us very specific information. Instead, if I were to make actual measurement, I could say that someone height is 130 centimeter or a package weight is 5.2 kilogram. The measurement uses an actual number to describe the properties like that, so we can know them more precisely. Here, as I said, the centimeter and kilogram are example of what we call units of measurement. Units of measurement are predetermined quantities that we use as reference, and it is very important to be familiar with other countries also. The measurement system we are going to talk about in your book is called metric system, which is actually very popular worldwide and well known to every country, almost every country. And the official name of this international system, which is actually called metric system, is also well known as SI units. Okay, a metric system is a very great idea because it makes the math involve more with certain measurements, and unit conversation get much more easier to do. The system we are going to introduce today in your book is a 10-based number system. The most units in metric system take advantage of power of 10. The idea behind this metric system is to start with a base unit and then use the standard prefix to make other units that are bigger or smaller than that. Here is a list of some of those prefixes which we use in our metric system. Here our base unit is meter, which is a basic unit for length. For length, measuring length, we use meter, and this is the main unit or base unit, we can say that. Now, the unit which is 10 times bigger than meter is called decameter, and the 100 times bigger unit than a meter is called hectometer, and the 1000 times bigger unit than a meter is called kilometer. And now to the rest of the part. The unit which is 10 times smaller than a meter is called decimeter, and the unit which is 100 times smaller than a meter is called centimeter, and the unit which is 1000 times smaller is called millimeter. Okay, as you are seeing that I didn't write down that meter part in every part, it doesn't mean that there is not meter. There is definitely meter. Now I am going to get back to your math book. I'm going to try and explain two different ways as much as possible, because this one is also easier, but there is another way to do this kind of math, we are going to do this kind of math. We are going to attempt. There is a system in our country. It's a funny system, as I will say that, but it is very, very, very easy way to do this kind of math, and I'm going to explain that way with a rhyme. Okay, yes, you heard me correctly, with a rhyme. already the students who actually did class 4 with me, they already know that how I do those maths with a rhyme, simple rhyme, which is very very funny but still very effective. So let's get started. As you can see that I am actually doing the green one number math from page 115 from chapter 11. The thing is, you have to remember this kind of serial, the prefixes, first letter of the prefixes, to just keep it in your mind. There is a Bangla rhyme we use, that one is K for Kilaya, H for Hakaya, D A for Dakai, M for Marile, D for Deshe, C for Shanti. Actually seems like Santi. Okay, M for millimeter. Okay, this is the rhyme. Kilaya Hakaya Dakat Marile Deshe Shanti Milibe. This is the most easiest way as I have so far. I will say so far. If I get any more easier way to study with this, then definitely I will let you know, because you know that I like to improvise, right? Now this one, please, you need to remember this, because you cannot mismatch the units or prefixes. It's not possible. Okay, you cannot go like hectometer over here or decimeter over there. It's not possible. Okay, so you need to remember that Kilaya Hakaya Dakat Marile Deshe Shanti Milibe. This is the way we are going to do.